CoreWeave acquired a company called Marimo. Hope I'm saying that right. An open source Python notebook for AI and data work, create a complete platform for AI development. Marimo's notebooks will integrate with CoreWeave's cloud and tools like weights and biases, helping developers move from experimentation to large scale deployment. The Marino notebook will stay open source, and the acquisition builds on CoreWeave's recent deals to expand its AI developer ecosystem. Fascinating company, CoreWeave, but interested, what's your take on this?
Well, firstly, I wanted to see a little bit more about Marimo, and Marimo essentially is an alternative to using Jupyter. It is more recently developed, maybe a little more interesting as a reactive, more visual tool for development, but it's essentially about developing new AI applications in a nice, easy way. What I like in this is that CoreWeave's objective here is to help companies move from the experimentation phase of building their first couple of AI applications to running dozens, hundreds, potentially thousands of AI applications, AI agents in production. And Jim, you'll recall that AI Infrastructure Field Day 3, the focus was very much on shifting from experimentation to production, and it is a difficult problem for organizations. I applaud CoreWeave for addressing this along with a bunch of the other acquisitions that they've had recently. Other acquisitions they've had included buying Monolith AI. They're a company that specializes in bringing AI to the physical world of building machinery and dealing with engineering and physics problems, as well as the OpenPipe acquisition for reinforcement learning tools around their open weights and biases as well. So there's a whole lot of nice pieces being built into the wider CoreWeave platform as they try and stake a larger and larger space in the AI application development and then AI application hosting. That's where the payoff for them is. Make it easy to build these applications that will run on the CoreWeave platform. Let's hope that their commitment to keeping Marimo open source and permissively licensed continues, that other organizations will be permitted to use Marimo technologies as well as they wish to build out their own portfolios of AI applications. As always with these acquisitions, it will be interesting to see whether that permissive license remains or whether a more restrictive license appears over time. It does seem like CoreWeave wants to have the majority of development of Marimo remain community-based development, and that minimizes their cost, maximizes the possibility that things will remain open. As soon as they pull to largely internal development, then their costs will go up, and that's the point at which you'll see them switch to a different licensing model. For the moment, their approach seems to be really nicely open source.